In the case of Das Goswamipad, Krishna appeared in Shamakund at Manasapavangat, and he was smiling to see, because his devotee was chanting Hare Krishna. So as I said, Krishna walks behind a devotee and smiles. And the obvious example is our Das Goswamipad, who is chanting at Manasapavangat and looking at the steps of Manasapavangat and the beautiful Shamblu waters and meditating in the Madhyan Lila. And it's in Samadhi, so Krishna is smiling, but then while Krishna was standing there smiling behind Raghunath Das, then two tigers came to drink water, so then Krishna was smiling, but he was poised, with a chakra in his hand. I'm smiling that my devotee is chanting the holy name, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, and meditating on my lilas as the ideal example of the Raganugiya Bhakta pursuing Mantri Bhava Upasana. Oh, but I'm concerned that there's danger that tigers have come to drink the water of Shamkund. They may harass or disturb my devotee. So he's ready, watchful. So the gopis are standing before Krishna, and he's examining them and seeing the intensity of their attachment. And they're feeling viklavitam. They're feeling helpless. So I said, the dark night of the soul. Devotees will come in their life, maybe a few times or sometimes, very hopeless and helpless situation. And Krishna is waiting and watching. How will you respond? What will you say? How will you pray? What will you desire when this comes in your life? And then that's called the examination. It's Sakshi and the Parikshit. Krishna is witnessing and examining. The gopis, he's witnessing and examining. And we are also being observed and examined. As we often have heard in the beginning days of this bhakti practice, our seniors would say, if we were having difficulty, some physical sickness or emotional or mental problem or just general problems of life, feeling negative or down or dejected or sad or uninspired. Sound familiar? And then a devotee would say, Krishna is testing you. Have you ever heard that? That's the most popular mantra, more so than Sarvadharman Pritaja. Krishna is testing you. Krishna is testing you. He's so beautiful, blue and true. But he's putting you in a stick and glue. He's sticking you in the glue. You're stuck. So that's what I would like to say about the word viklavitam. These are words of distress, helplessness. I said all true devotees experience helplessness. That's why we were saying the other day, if someone says, how are you doing? I heard you moved to Vrindavan, you've been living there a few years. Yeah, we got a flat, this, that, everything's great, blah, blah, blah. So everything's great, then there's no viklavitam. Krishna went to sleep on you. He hired somebody else to be the chokidar. He's not examining and he's not testing. He's, oh, you're busy enjoying? Enjoy. Like we heard once, one guru gave his disciple, put him in charge of one ashram in a holy place. And he said, I've given you this spiritual world, now enjoy. Interesting point. So some people take that literally and enjoy.